You ever notice how in One Piece regular people just live their lives like nothing wrong? Like, bro, there are sky islands, sea monsters, talking reindeer, and little god walking around. And people are just selling bored like, yeah, another Tuesday. But here is the real question. How much do common people actually know about the truth? The world government, the celestial dragon, and all the dark history. Spoiler alert. They basically know nothing. Today we are diving into how the government in One Piece keeps billions of people living in the biggest lie in anime history. The world government tells everyone we bring justice and order to the world. Sound great, right? But that's like if your local mafia runs the police, the news, and the education system. Because the truth is, this peace only exists because they keep everyone blind and scared. Ordinary people grow up thinking pirates are 100% evil, marines are absolute heroes, and celestial dragons are gods who created the world. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, that so called gods are using slaves, rewriting histories, and dropping nukes on anyone who asks questions. You see, there is a whole hundreds of years that one government literally deleted from history. The word century. No book, no record, no TikToks, nothing. If you ever try to study it, congratulations. You just won yourself a buster call. That's what happened to Ahara, a land full of historians trying to understand the past. The government reaction burned them all. And just like that, one of the smartest island in the world get turned into barbecue. Common citizens never heard of O'Hara. To them, the marine took out criminals. That's how deep the control runs. History itself is illegal. Ever wonder how people in One Piece actually get their news? So the World Economy newspaper, run by none other than Big News Morgan, the giant bird man, literally controlling the entire world believes. And guess who is paying him? The world government. The sponsor they truly like, it's a brand deal. When the Flamingo was exposed for running an underground slave trade, the world government forced Morgan to spin the story because they can't have people realize one of their lord basically trafficking humans. Imagine living in the world where your news is rewritten by a bird bribed by a government. That actually sounds kind of familiar. To the average person, the celestial dragons are holy descendant, creator of the world. People literally kneel when they walk by. No one can look at them in the eye. And if you ever breathe near them wrong, boom, execution. But truth is, they are just spoiled, arrogant noble who have living of lies for 800 years. These gods literally keep human slaves, hunt people for spots, and live above the cloud while others starve. The world call them divine, but honestly, they are just the anime version of rich kid with daddy's money. On paper, the Marines are protector of peace. In reality, half of them didn't even believe their own slogan anymore. Take Fujitora, man literally apologized to the civilian for being the part of the system. Smoker continuously questioned his own order. Even Gab, the hero of the Marine, couldn't stand the lie anymore. Meanwhile, Ikainu over there, if it moved, kill it in the name of justice. People cheer for Marine without even realizing they are often clearing the government dirty work like public relation hitman. So who actually knows the truth? The Revolutionary Army, led by the god himself, Monkey D. Dragon. Their entire goal is to expose the lie of world government. But since the government control the narrative, everyone call them traitors. But the irony is they are fighting for freedom while being branded as a villain. Sound familiar? That's literally how every revolution in history starts. Most people in One Piece aren't evil, they are just clueless. Imagine being a fishman or a baker in East Blue. You woke up, feed your kids, and hear that pirate Luffy attacks the marine again. You didn't question it because the only thing you know is what the government want you to know. People worship the celestial dragon, fear pirates, and never ask where their tax go. They live under the fake peace and a peace built by silence and ignorance. A few who do question it like Nico Robin got hand erased or leveled as a trader. So yeah, the average One Piece citizen is basically living in the anime version of Matrix. Anyway, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like so the world government did not erase me like the void century. And tell me in the comment, do you think the world government is the real vision of One Piece? See you next time. Stay safe, stay free.